In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a stop loss in TradingView so you can manage risk and protect your trades. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load any chart. Make sure you're logged into your account, then go to the bottom panel and connect your broker or select paper trading if you're practicing. Once connected, click on the Trade button to open the order panel. This is where you place and manage your trades. Now, choose whether you want to buy or sell. After that, look for the stop loss option in the order panel and enable it by checking the box. As soon as you enable it, you'll see a field where you can enter your stop loss price. This is the level where your trade will automatically close if the market moves against you. Enter your desired stop loss level carefully. You can base this on support and resistance, recent highs or lows, or your personal risk tolerance. Before placing the trade, double check all your details, including entry price, position size, and stop loss level to make sure everything is correct. Now click buy or sell to place your order. Your trade will be executed along with the stop loss you set. That's it. You've successfully added a stop loss and made your trades safer and more controlled. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.